A critical task for any manager is to make their employees feel safe and valued at a workplace. This necessitates building systems and procedures that shun harassment based on race, religion, sexual orientation, or other extraneous factors unrelated to work performance. Therefore, a D&I policy is a key to any self-respecting company. A diverse and inclusive workplace is not only the right thing to do but also the key to unlocking innovation, creativity, and better business outcomes. Download this ready-made diversity and inclusion presentation to attract and retain a diverse workforce that adds value to your organization. Create a thriving and dynamic workplace that celebrates diversity and fosters inclusion using this content-ready PPT template. Incorporate this PPT slide to demonstrate how your company prioritizes inclusive leadership practices. Ensure that your managers are trained to create an environment where everyone's voice is heard and respected. Deploy this PowerPoint presentation to show your commitment towards building a workplace that reflects diverse perspectives, fostering and cultivating a culture of equity. Highlight managers' and employees' responsibilities to ensure that each team member gets opportunities for professional and personal development. This PowerPoint template also exhibits norms against discrimination, bullying, and sexual harassment. It calls out discriminatory behavior that might be demeaning and insulting. It helps your employees feel valued and equal regardless of their race, religion, age, and sexual orientation. Use Slide Team's professional and appealing PowerPoint presentation to align your company's mission and values with D&I policy. Create a high-trust workplace experience for employees, no matter who they are and whatever be their role, with our content-ready diversity and inclusion PPT template. Grab this actionable PowerPoint deck to make people feel they belong, their ideas matter, and their individual needs are understood.